Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today I've got something new. I'm taking my first flight with the Insta360 Antigravity A1. I've been dying to fly this drone since it first came on the market. Right away, the takeoff is incredibly smooth. The drone lifts like it's weightless, no shaking, no drifting, just a clean, steady rise that instantly boosts your confidence. Wow, this feels amazing. Once it's in the air, you really notice the stability. Even with a little breeze, the A1 holds its position effortlessly. This is honestly the smoothest footage I've seen from a drone this size. You can get really precise with it, it never feels like it's fighting you. Right, time to bring it home. Please don't let me mess up the landing. So that was my very first flight with the Insta360 Antigravity A1, and honestly, I'm impressed. Super stable, easy to fly, and the footage speaks for itself. If you'd like more flights in different locations, let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button if you already haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep hovering and keep discovering.